Welcome to Weiskopf Consulting's how-to videos. Today I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress blog. Here we are, this is the login page. I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. And it takes you to your dashboard. This is your main menu, and here's what you can see. You've got your home, your Unison, blog posts, events, portfolio, media, and so on. From here you click on blog posts, and then you get this menu that pops up, and that's all posts, add new, categories, or tags. And this is what you need. You need blog posts, so let's go ahead and click on it. And this is your main page. This is the menu of all your blog posts that you've created so far. And you can go ahead and create a new blog post from here, either by clicking on Add New here, or click Add New here. So we're going to go ahead and click here. This is where you create your blog post, and at the top here you can see Add New Post, and then you enter your title in this box. This basically works like a Word document, so let's go ahead and enter our title. Now over here, this is your main body of the blog post. This is where you can write your text. This is also where you can insert pictures, links, and so forth. As I mentioned before, this does work like a Word document, so if you click on Add Media here, then you can add pictures, and you can also add links. So you can use the Insert Link. As you notice, you've got a menu here as well. Let me show you how to actually insert a picture. So you click on Add Media, and it takes you to your media library. And here you have pre-uploaded some pictures, either from your past posts or when you had created your website. So in this menu here, you can insert or upload new files from your computer. Simply click on Upload Files, and then you get to select files from your computer. Or you can use your existing media library to select a picture that you've pre-uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and search for the picture I would like. And here's one that looks good. And you can see it has a check mark, so it has been selected. Now what I want to do is I want to make sure that I have all this SEO information attached to my picture. So under the URL, that's good. It actually pulls the URL from the website. You've got the title of the photo, and this is where I can rename my photo. I can also include a caption. As I mentioned before, you need all of this for SEO. So for Google to index the page, these need to be filled out. I'm going to go ahead and add a caption. I'm going to go ahead and insert my alt text, and this is basically a description of what your picture is about. Going to go ahead and copy this description and add it here. Go ahead and click Insert into Post, and now you can see your photo is right over here, and you can click on it and edit it. So I can align it center, I can align it left, I can edit it. There's a menu that pops up here. You can see a permalink here as well. This is what your link to your post will look like. So we can edit this too if we want to make it shorter. And I do this time. I'm going to just make it simple. I'm going to go ahead and edit it. Click OK. And it actually renames it for you. So now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and input your SEO. If you have a plugin such as Yoast installed, you get this box here, And here's where you can enter your focus keyword, what your blog is all about. And then I'm going to edit my snippet, which is the description, and also includes the SEO title. So we need to rewrite this. I'm going to use a previous title that I've created. And it likes it, it's green. When it's green, it means that it's giving you basically the green light that the SEO works. I also want to enter the SEO here. There are two tabs. One is post settings, which you actually don't need to modify. And then there's SEO. So let's go ahead and click on that. And I can just copy and paste from Yoast. I right-clicked to copy, and I'm going to right-click to paste. Going to do the same for the body or the meta description. And then I've got my meta keywords, and I can use the how to video, blog post on how to, Weiskopf consulting, and WordPress. Now these are all used for Google to index your page, so this is very important. So now that I'm done with my post, I have to publish it. So this is where you publish, right on the right side here. You can save it as a draft over here if you're not ready to publish. And you can also preview here. So let's go ahead and preview and see what this will look like. Perfect. Now if I'm happy with this, I can go back and publish it. So I'm going to use this top menu and click on Edit. Edit blog post here. It takes me back to my main page where I started. And now I want to show you one more thing before we publish. You can categorize your blog. So you can add it to a category on your web page, and I've got different categories here pre-created. Or I can add a new category. So let's see if I can find one that matches. And I'm going to click on Resources here. This is where it will publish. And when I'm done, I can just click Publish right here. Now it's going live, so it's available on the World Wide Web. So let's go ahead and click on our link to see if it takes us to our blog. And yes, it worked. Perfect. So it's right here. This is what we created. And we're all done. I hope this was helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click here for more educational videos. Also, subscribe to see more videos that will be posted in the future.